You see Gobert did a lot of scoring early. That's not a fault of the bigs. There was a major issue in perimeter defense in this game, but it has been an issue for this team. And as you're looking at what do the Knicks need to do to build forward, if you're Scott Perry watching this game, or if you're thinking about what you need to do in the offseason, you've got to find tough perimeter defenders that won't allow something like that to happen. So the bigs aren't always helping off, which allows, again, a guy like Gobert to have an easy night.
All right, let's check out Rudy Gobert's highlight film. It was quite extensive, and it started early, and the Knicks never really had an answer for him, guys.
16 and 7 in that first quarter. We talked about the points of the paint, right, Swin? How about in the first quarter, and he was a big part of it, and it was all because of helping out. Watch here. Moutier gets beat, not even a screen. Cornette has to help, and there's no secondary help. Watch it again. He's got to stop the ball. Cornette pulls away. No secondary help. It was so easy. Again, it's one guy playing two people, and not a lot of movement there. Of the 39 points that they gave up in that first quarter, 31 were from either in the paint or from the free throw line. And the damage was done inside. 4 players with double-doubles.
Unbelievable. And the thing about it is that you also have to think about this. When you talk about defense, a lot of times people look at the matchups and they're going to say it was all Cornette, right? He was getting beat by Gobert. But that's not the reality. This Utah Jazz team, they're not a great three-point shooting team. So if you're a defense, I'm pretty sure that this scheme had to be, we're going to defend from the outside, the inside and then out. So that means that you have to have a foot in the paint. So anytime that there's a pick and roll happening and Cornette is having to help on the guard, you have to check Gobert coming down the lane. You have to hit him early.
The guard does,
The guard does. Whoever it is, and it could be a guard, it could be a power forward on that other side. You have to at least let him know you're there and then go out. Because the reality is, if the ball's on one side of the floor, he should not have the ability to throw it all the way across court pass. You should be able to close out and still get there. But if you're a slower defender that's on the wing, sometimes you're itching out to your player because you don't want to get beat, so you miss the help side on the other end.